In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters in Wix Studio. We'll start in the Wix Studio editor. Click the plus icon in the top left to open the add panel, then go to Layout Tools and select Repeaters. You'll see several presets like a clean grid, a horizontal list, or a portfolio style design. Choose the one that best fits your content and drag it onto your page. For a responsive, tidy layout, place the repeater inside a section or a strip so it aligns with the rest of your design. Once it's on the page, take a moment to understand how a repeater works. It creates multiple identical items. Think of them as cards arranged in a row or a grid. Each card is a container that can hold text, images, and buttons. The real power here is consistency. When you edit the design of one item, changing fonts, spacing, borders, or colors, those changes automatically apply to every item in the repeater. That means you design once and reuse that style everywhere, keeping your site cohesive and saving time. Next, add your content. Click inside a single repeater item and edit the text fields, replacing placeholder titles and descriptions with your real copy. This could be a team member's role, a product name, or a short testimonial. Swap in your images and try to use similar dimensions to keep the grid neat and avoid unexpected cropping. If your cards include a button, update the label like Learn More or View Product and set the correct link so visitors go exactly where you want them to. Now let's refine the layout and style. Adjust the overall repeater settings to control how many items appear per row, the gap between items, and each item's width and height. Then fine-tune a single item's look, tweak padding to create breathing room, align elements so text and images feel balanced, and set corner radius or shadows for depth. Consider adding a simple hover effect, like a subtle darken or lift, to create interactivity without clutter. Because the repeater reuses one design, every card will stay perfectly consistent as you go. When you're ready, click Preview in the top right to see it in action. Check that everything looks neat and aligned and confirm the content is readable on desktop and mobile. If something feels cramped, adjust spacing or font sizes back in the editor. When you're satisfied, click Publish to push your repeater live on your site. That's how you use repeaters in Wix Studio. By adding a repeater, customizing one item, and populating each card with unique content, you can build a clean, scalable layout for team members, products, testimonials, or projects without repeating your design work. Thanks for watching and happy building!